Hi, this is Phil Crook for Shottenkirk Chevrolet, and here's a certified 2011 Chevy Avalanche Z71 4x4. It's low mileage, only about 38,000 miles, very well equipped. It's got heated leather, moonroof, remote start, Bluetooth, aluminum wheels. You've got nice running boards. Body's very clean of dents, dings, and scratches. Does have the backup sensors, backup camera. Bed's very clean on this vehicle. Since it is a certified vehicle, you will get 1 year or 12,000 miles of manufacturer's warranty, plus 2 years or 24,000 miles of oil changes and tire rotations. Leather seats. You can see the sunroof here. Got front buckets. Power seat on both sides. Heated seats. It's got good tires. Does have the HD tow package, as well as an integrated trailer brake controller, Bluetooth steering wheel controls, and a lot of other great options. If you'd like to learn more about this vehicle, just visit our website, yourchevystore.com.